Hi guys, here 5 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times 6 divided by 3 in bracket whole power 2. Here 5 plus 8 is 13 times 6 divided by 3 in bracket whole power 2. Here 13 times 6 divided by 3 is 2 power 2. Here 13 times 2 power 2 is 4. Here 13 times 4 is 52 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 52 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. This is a bracket, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. Also this addition subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the first priority is bracket. Here we have a bracket, so we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 5 plus 2 power 3 times bracket is 6 divided by 3 is 2 power this 2. Here the next priority is the exponent. Here we have exponent here and here, so we have to do this exponent before this addition and multiplication. So 5 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times here 2 power 2 is 4. The next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication, so we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 5 plus here 8 times 4 is 32. Here 5 plus 32 is 37 is the correct answer.